Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in Law of Attraction, we'll discuss about how to manifest your desires. We all have desires, we all have dreams, goals and objectives in our life. But some people achieve it, some people don't achieve it. Why some people don't achieve it is because they fail to manifest their desires, and that is precisely the reason why some people achieve their goals, some people don't achieve their goals. And let's check them out, what is actually we need to do to achieve your goals by manifesting your desires. What is manifestation of desires in the first place? Manifestation of desires is a feeling and a thought process of making your desires translate into reality. When you have desires basically the thought process that you have in your mind. You have certain wishes, certain dreams in your mind, and those dreams, those wishes has to be translated into reality for them to actually happen in your life. And that actually is the process of manifestation. You are basically manifesting your desires, your goals into your life so that they become a reality, and that is precisely what manifestation of desires is all about. The more inspired, excited and emotionally charged you are about something, the faster you will see it happening in your life. The more inspired, the more emotionally charged, the more excited you are about something in your life, in your mind. If they have to happen, they will happen immediately, instantly, much quicker and much faster. It is basically you are manifesting those desires by taking certain actions. When your vibrations are consistently high, your desires manifest faster. When you have your vibrations consistently high, the more energized you are with your thought process, because you are thinking of something, of certain dreams, of certain goals and of certain objectives, and your body is responding, vibrating positively to your goals, then things will get manifested and things will get started happening in your life. Manifestation, the step-by-step process. Define your dream, know what you want. You have to be very, very clear in your life with what you want in your life. The more the clutter in your mind, it will not going to happen. You have a very single goal in your life with what you want to achieve in your life. Know what you want. You need to know precisely what you want in your life. Set a burning desire to achieve it, a desire to make your goals, your dreams a reality, and that desire has to be at a very, very high level. You have to be excited about certain things to happen in your life. Things will happen in your life. Create and manifest short-term goals and achieve them. You set goals and break them into short-term goals. Achieve a month goal or quarter goal or a half-yearly goal and achieve them. When you achieve your goals, celebrate your success. Celebrate your success is extremely important for you to have that more and more optimism and energy in your life. Keep chasing your dreams. When you set your dreams, keep chasing you. You may get certain setbacks, the obstacles or the hurdles in your life, but that should not become impediments for you to achieve what you want to achieve in your life. The more the positivity, the more the goals will become happening in your life, objectives will become happening in your life, and you will achieve what you want to achieve in your life. Manifestation techniques that can be used to achieve what you want. Adopt an attitude of gratitude. You have to be thankful for what you already got in your life. The more you show gratitude, the better you feel from inside. Show gratitude and be thankful for what you already have in your life. Visualize living your dreams with emotional feelings. The more the emotions you attach to it, the more the better for you. When you have certain goals in your mind and your body is responding to it emotionally, when they both connect together, when they actually synchronize together, things will happen in your life. Identify your feeling and your desires. The more you identify yourself with your desires, the better. If there is a detachment between your mind, body and soul and your desires, things will not happen. It has to be attached together. You have to feel it emotionally with what you already have in your mind. Mind clear from clutter. Single-minded devotion, single-minded objective is what actually going to help you in the long run. The more the clutter in your mind, the more the confusion. The more the confusion, you will end up nowhere. So have a clear-cut mind, avoid clutter in your mind. Physically prepare yourself for things to happen. I am going to get something tomorrow and I have to prepare myself for it. When you prepare yourself, you are attracting more towards your goals and objectives. You prepare yourself physically as if things are happening today itself. Follow your intuition. The best thing that you can do is follow your intuition. If you are getting an opportunity, if your mind, your heart says that, take it. Grab it immediately. The more you go by your intention, the more the success will be yours. Imagine your manifestations are working and celebrate success. When your imagination is working in such a way that things are happening in your life, you know when things are happening in your life, and celebrate that success. The more the celebration, the more the energy. The more the energy, the more the positive vibrations. The more the positive vibrations, the more the goal will become closer and closer to your dreams. Tips to manifest your desires. You have a dream, you are attracted towards your dream, and you manifest those dreams to happen in your life by visualizing them. Actually, they are in your life, and by synchronizing your conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Have a dream, then get attracted towards those dreams, and the mind is like a mirror, always reflecting back to you what to see. The mind is working like a mirror for you to attracting more of what you want. When you manifest your dreams, desires, physically and emotionally, you get closer and closer to your dreams. Visualize every single day that things are happening in your life and there are signs and the results happening in your life. When your subconscious mind and the conscious mind synchronize together, you can achieve whatever you want in your life. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is manifestation of desires, manifestation of step-by-step process, manifestation techniques that you can use and implement, tips to manifest your desires. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.